Hi everyone! Welcome back to A Dream House by Maria Telma Manalo, kung saan sabay-sabay nating tuklasin ang mga magagandang bahay na abot kaya at swak sa pangarap mo. Today, we'll be touring you around this beautiful, ready for occupancy home dito sa Metropolis East, a flood-free and fully gated subdivision developed by no other than Santa Lucia Realty and Development Incorporated. Tara, let's take a look inside. Ang property na ito is now for sale for 7,373,000 with a reservation fee of 250,000. Kasama na po yan sa down payment. Meron itong 77 square meters na lot area and a total built area of 134 square meters with 100 square meters indoor and 34 square meters outdoor space. Makikita nyo rin dito ang isang one-car garage, service area, porch, and a lovely pocket garden. At syempre, may perimeter fence na rin for your added privacy. Pagpasok natin, you will be greeted by a spacious living area, dining area, and a clean kitchen space. Take note, meron na itong quartz kitchen countertop, complete with modular cabinets, cupboards, pull-out trays, gas range, and range hood. Perfect for your cooking needs. Tara, punta naman tayo sa mga bedrooms. Sa master's bedroom, meron itong toilet and bath, built-in modular cabinets, split-type aircon, and a private balcony para sa morning coffee goals mo. Meron siyang 2 extra bedrooms, perfect for kids or guests, both with built-in cabinets. And meron din tayong 1 home office, den or pwede na ring staff quarters. Depende sa need nyo. Bukod pa dito, may 2 common toilets and baths para hindi magagawan sa umaga. Perfect for starting families or even as an investment property. This house in Metropolis East gives you both comfort and security in a very strategic location. So if you're interested, don't hesitate to reach out Miss Maria Telma Manalo. Her number is 0927-940-1169 or email at mariatelmanalo@gmail.com. If you like this house tour, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to A Dream House by Maria Telma Manalo because your dream home is just one tour away. See you on the next video mga ka-Dream House. Bye!